Hey, my name is Jerry. I actually live in the neighborhood. I have a small pressure washing company. I saw that you have mold starting to build up on the side of your house. I was wondering if you'd like for us to take care of that.
We are actually renters, but if you
Okay,
give me your card, well, no, our landlord, I told our landlord, and
about
he
it.
says he has his own power washer. He'll do it himself. So,
Okay, okay.
but thanks
All right,
anyways. Yeah,
thank
it is
you.
a mess.
Yeah,
Yeah,
have a good day.
you too.
All right.